Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install your Airalo Esim card onto your Android device. So there's two steps to this tutorial. There'll be the installation part and then there'll be the accessing data part. So for the installation part, it's pretty simple. You just need to open the Airalo app, tap My eSIMs, tap the eSIM you want to install, tap View Instruction, tap Direct, and then tap to install your eSIM. After that, tap Allow and then wait a few minutes for your eSIM to activate. Once it's activated, you should see a screen like this. There'll be a lot of greens all around. After that, you'll have to allow it to access data. So go to your Android settings, go to connections, tap SIM manager, tap mobile data, select your eSIM, check if you need to enable data roaming by opening the Airalo app and viewing your eSIM instruction. After that, go back to connections, tap mobile networks, toggle data roaming on or off depending on what you saw earlier on your eSIM instructions. Check if you need to update your APN by opening the Airalo app and viewing your eSIM instruction. If the message displayed in the APN field reads the APN is set automatically, no further action is required. If there is text in the APN field, you must update your APN manually. But besides that, go back to connection, tap mobile map networks, tap access point name, tap add, enter the new APN in the APN field, tap OK, enter Airalo as the APN's label in the name field, leave the other field as blank, tap the three dot menu in the upper right corner, and then tap save. After that, you'll be able to access data from your new eSIM.